If you're seeing AutoCAD Error 1644, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. This error usually happens when the installer is blocked by Windows policies, when the setup files are corrupted, or when the command line parameters are invalid. It can also show up if you don't have the right permissions, or if something on your system is preventing the MSI installer from running properly. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it without needing advanced technical skills. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD troubleshooting guides just like this one. Let's get started. First, restart your computer. A simple restart can clear temporary system issues, release locked installation processes, and reset anything that may be interfering with the AutoCAD setup. Once your computer is back on, make sure you are signed in with an administrator account. If you are using a standard user account, the installer may not have enough permission to complete the installation, especially on systems with security restrictions. Next, find the AutoCAD installer file, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. This is an important step because it gives the installer elevated permissions and helps prevent Windows from blocking the installation process. If you still see the error, the next thing to do is move the installer files to a simple local path. A good example would be C/Autodesk. Keep the folder name short, simple, and easy for Windows to access. Sometimes, deeply nested folders, special characters, or long file paths can cause the installer to fail. It is also very important not to run the installer from a network drive or a USB device. Installation files should be copied directly to your local hard drive before you begin. External drives and network locations can cause read errors, access issues, or interrupted file transfers that trigger installation problems. After that, temporarily disable your antivirus or security software. In some cases, security tools incorrectly flag Autodesk installation files and block them from running properly. If you do disable protection, make sure it is only temporary and turn it back on as soon as you finish testing the installation. Now, if you are on a work computer or school computer, there may be policy restrictions in place. Press Windows +R, type gpedit.msc and press Enter to open Group Policy Editor. From there, check whether Windows installer is disabled. If it is restricted, that could be the exact reason AutoCAD is failing with error 1644. On managed systems, installation policies often block MSI-based applications, so you may need permission from your IT administrator to continue. Another very helpful fix is to install using the full offline installer instead of the web installer. The web installer depends on downloading files during setup, and if anything gets interrupted, corrupted, or blocked, it can trigger errors like this one. A full offline installer is usually much more reliable because all the required files are already included. If you already have the installer downloaded, but the error still appears, re-download it completely. Corrupted setup files are one of the most common causes of installation failures. Even a small file issue can prevent AutoCAD from installing correctly. Download a fresh copy from Autodesk and if possible, save it again to that simple local folder we talked about earlier. If the problem continues, try installing in a clean boot environment. A clean boot starts Windows with only the essential services and startup programs, which can help you identify whether another app, background process, or third-party tool is interfering with the installer. This is especially useful when antivirus, update utilities, or system optimizers are causing conflicts in the background. Once you have finished these steps, try running the installer again. In many cases, one of these fixes will solve the issue right away. And remember, error 1644 is especially common on restricted systems where installation policies block MSI execution, so permissions and system restrictions are usually the first things to check. If this guide helped you fix AutoCAD Error 1644, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software repair tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.